Have you noticed your Android phone getting slower over time? Apps take longer to open, scrolling isn't as smooth, and everything feels less responsive. The good news is, you probably don't need a new phone. In this video, I'll show you several simple settings and maintenance tips that can help improve your phone's performance in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the easiest step: restart your phone. Many people leave their phones running for days or even weeks without restarting them. During that time, background processes and temporary files can build up and affect performance. A quick restart clears temporary memory and closes unnecessary background tasks. If your phone feels slow, restarting it once every few days is a simple habit that can help keep it running smoothly. Next, remove apps you no longer use. Open Settings, then Apps, and review your installed applications. If you find apps you haven't used in months, uninstall them. Unused apps can take up storage and, in some cases, continue running background services or checking for updates. Keeping only the apps you actually use helps free up space and can make your phone easier to manage. Now let's clear cache data. Open Settings, tap Apps, choose an app that uses a lot of storage, then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. Cached files help apps load faster, but over time they can grow quite large. Clearing the cache occasionally can recover storage space and may help if an app has become slow or is not working properly. Avoid using clear data unless you're prepared to reset the app. Your phone also needs enough free storage to perform well. Open Settings, then Storage, and check how much space is available. If your storage is almost full, delete duplicate photos, old videos, downloaded files, or apps you no longer need. Try to keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage free. This gives Android more room for updates, temporary files, and smooth everyday performance. Now let's make your phone feel faster by reducing animations. First, enable developer options if you haven't already. Then open developer options and find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Change each one from 1x to 0.5x. Your phone won't become more powerful, but menus and apps will appear to open faster, making the entire experience feel much more responsive. Another important step is keeping your apps and software updated. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, then choose Manage Apps and Device and install any available updates. Also check Settings, then Software Update to see if a system update is available. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches that help your phone run more smoothly. By following these simple steps, you can improve your Android phone's performance without installing extra apps or spending money. Restart your phone regularly, remove apps you don't use, clear cache when needed, free up storage, reduce animations, and keep everything updated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips, smartphone tutorials, and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.